So how do you guys see it over there? Only because they're tall. Nice. Taller humans don't have to stand on their two because tiny humans can't see past. All right, friends.
What are we here for?
And then we're going to go ahead and close the screen. You come up here so you can stay. Actually, sorry.
Wait, is this still real?
Okay, take pictures of the house on fire.
Calm down. All right, friends. So, welcome to the Fire Safety House. My name is Vivian. I'm with Hillsborough County Fire Rescue. So, welcome for all being here, and hello to my scouts who are probably earning one of their badges today on safety. So, this one's a big one. What do you do if your house is on fire? What are those 3 words, or maybe 4? 4 words.
Get a fire extinguisher.
Wrong 4 words. Ah, see, a lot of us learn, you put your hands down, a lot of us learn stop, drop, and roll. Like that's the way to get out of the house in case of an emergency. However, I've never, ever seen someone rolling out of the house like a burrito when there's a fire. Stop, drop, and roll is if what's on fire? You, exactly. Kiss your brain. Mwah. If your clothes are on fire, stop, drop, and roll. If your house is on fire and you need to escape, you know what those 4 words are?
Fire extinguisher. Get a fire extinguisher.
No.
You call 911.
You call 911. That's something you do, but what to do to get out? Last try. Open your door and run. That is 4 words, but those are not the 4 words I am looking for. Stay low and go. Smoke goes up. Smoke loves to go up. So which way should you be? Down. Exactly. You want to stay low under the smoke and get out to safety. So here in the kitchen, the one thing, I'm going to look at all our grown-ups. So look at an adult and repeat after me. So my tiny humans, my kids, I want you to repeat after me. Tell your parents or tell your grown-ups. Keep an eye on what you fry. Exactly.
French fries.
The number 1 reason there's a house fire is unattended cooking. So if you're not watching what you're cooking, a fire could happen at any minute. You'll never know. And especially if you don't have smoke detectors. The one place, however, that we don't want smoke detectors is the kitchen. Because how many times are you cooking something that causes a lot of smoke? I love bacon. And man, that bacon makes a lot of smoke in my house. If that smoke detector is in my kitchen, I would never have a peaceful breakfast. So we want, and my daughter, who's 8, would think that there's a fire every single time I was cooking, which I don't want her thinking that, because I'm a good cook. So a smoke detector should be in 3 places. Let's think, where do you sleep? What's that room called? Your
Bedroom.
That's number 1. Where's somewhere that you can take a nap?
Living room.
Where is it? Living room. And then lastly, what is that space between the living room and the bedroom? The hallway. Those are your 3 spots that you should have smoke detectors. Bedroom, living room, hallway. Living room is far enough away from the kitchen. The hallway is for like kind of a first wave alarm going off before getting the smoke into your room. And then in your bedroom, of course, because if you're falling asleep, you need to be able to wake up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our living room. We're going to talk about ways to get out. And then once we get out, you guys will be my junior firefighters. Ready? Come on through.
Yeah, let's go. I want to
This trailer's kind of tall, but not kind of tall. Tall enough for 2 stories, but there's really not much on here. Durotherm, camera looking at me. Another camera right there.
It's real. Does it make calls? Probably not.
Not worried
So here what we're going to do. So you've got your 3 places where, so this is the living room. Is this where we're going to have a smoke detector? Yeah. That's right. Do you see it? Yeah. There it is. A smoke detector needs to make sure that it's under 10 years of age. You do not want to have an old smoke detector. If you have a smoke detector that's over 10 years old, it's not going to sense the smoke. So let's put it this way. If your smoke detector was this color at one time and now it's the color of that phone, it needs to be replaced. All right. If you've been living in your house for over 10 years and you've never changed that smoke detector, you changed the batteries, but not the detector, it's time time to change the detector. Alright? And they're very easy to do. Some of them are just really twist offs. Now, what do we say? Stay low and go. So if the smoke is up, we are low. And how do we get out? If we're low, what's the best way to travel? Crawling, exactly. We crawl to our nearest exit. An exit can be
To run to the end.
door or a window. If you run, you're going to be walking through the smoke. If you walk through that smoke, that goes into your lungs and it can actually destroy your ability to breathe.
This door is hot right here.
Do you want to be able to breathe? Yeah, obviously. So we want to make sure that if we're able to breathe, we got to stay low and go. So know your exits, doors and windows. And then when you get out, what spot do we go to? It's called
I'll pull it up right now. It's on my phone.
Meeting place. So a meeting place can be a tree, a mailbox, or a neighbor's house, but it has to be in front of the house. What's in front of your house? What is that black road thing? What is that thing that the cars drive on? The road.
Yep, we'll make all
Fire
sorts of
trucks drive on the
videos.
road? Exactly. Is there a road in your backyard? No. So we want to make sure they go out to, you all go to the front of your house so that way the fire trucks will see you and you tell them, hey, everybody's out. And if somebody's missing, you can tell them.
We can go to because then we just jump up and rent a house.
It's somebody in an apartment on the second level.
Gotcha. Well, you know what? There's also escape latches. You can see one right outside.
We have a balcony.
All right.
The windows.
Now,
Which is
what do we
It'll probably be
do? What
uploaded
happens
tonight.
if You're sleeping and you don't have a smoke detector. Can you see the smoke? So you can smell it, but sometimes smoke can actually make you sleepier. So we want to make sure that if the smoke is coming out, that smoke detector is going to sound off for you. Because we could be talking, and then the next thing you know, oh, what's this?
I gotta walk through that stuff.
So what do? If smoke comes, we say,
Get up.
The smoke detector failed.
There's a fire.
Oh gosh, it stinks. Wait, I smell real fire now. Oh,
the main backtrack, and that does take place. So when the backtrack takes place, always an obstacle when the door is needs to be present in the fire
this is their fire safety house.
They don't really emphasize that at one point.
a door or window is open, oxygen rushes in, fire
Well, that is my video from the Serrated Fire Safety House. Might go in there again. It's a nice little trailer.
flashovers and